all, it's Abby, and today I am going to be finishing up these Wayfinder charms that I made 4.5 years ago. I cannot believe it's been that long. I'm using a prompt from one of the images that was posted to my Discord, and the prompt was work in progress, so this is kind of a cheat, but I got my first vaccination yesterday. I'm not feeling too hot, and tomorrow I have another health checkup, so I have a lot of nerves going on with that too. But anyway, I'm going to dome these and finish these up because I think it was pure laziness when I made them 4.5 years ago, but I never finished them, and I think it would be a shame not to make these usable because they turned out really nice. So basically all we're doing today is doming these, but I hope you will stick around and listen to me ramble on. Let's start with the blue one. Only the blue, actually these three have holes punched in them. I guess I forgot to for these two, or I was gonna put bails on them, I'm not sure. But this one is slightly curved, so wish me luck. But as I was saying, so when I saw the prompt for today that it was, one of them was something red and the other was a work in progress, I thought about sharing my dollhouse progress with you guys because I have been making it on and off on stream, but there really isn't that much to show yet, and I thought that would be actually cheating, so I thought I'd at least do a little bit of crafting today. And we'll get back to the dollhouse on stream, I think. I know some of you had voiced that you don't have Twitch accounts and miss me uploading and streaming over here. And sometimes I do feel like, you know, all my craft videos are over here, maybe I should be streaming on YouTube too, but the YouTube streaming system just isn't the greatest yet. They are working out, you know, all the bugs and adding features and stuff, but I think it'll still be another year or so until it's at the same level Twitch is at. I know some of you have reasons why you don't want Twitch accounts, but they are free to make and I would love to chat with you all. I've kind of been on a unannounced hiatus lately, been trying to work on uploading videos. And in my mind, you know, I feel like I'm able to do both, but at the end of the day, it's like, am I going to edit a video today or am I going to stream today? Working on that stream video balance. But I really am enjoying Craugust. I know today I'm kind of being a little half-assed about it, but I feel like this is a legit reason, and I am honestly proud of myself for making it through the first 3 days, so we'll see what happens the rest of the month. But hopefully starting from, well, not tomorrow, but the day after, I'll be crafting on stream a bit. So like I said, I hope to see you guys there. I do have some kits and stuff I want to try out, and it won't all be resin crafting or shrink plastic crafting. I'll be using some other mediums too, trying different things. It's been really good to kind of go back to my, not my roots, because I would say my roots are Sweet Stecco miniature crafting, which I also want to get back into. I have supplies, and I think we'll make it happen before the month is up. And we shall cure. No! Wow, I just ruined that. Okay, let's see if we can fix this. First off, let me turn off my lamp, wipe this off. And I thought today was gonna be a simple video. Got the lamp wiped off, so let's see if we can salvage this piece. I think if I cut this off and dome it again, it'll be okay. It pulled up some of the pigment, but I think it still looks okay. This is why you should never try to take the easy way out, because there is no easy way. Let's try that again. Well, this is an adventure. I have a firm grasp on the UV lamp. I will set it down and hold it. Oh my goodness. That would have been bad if that happened again. Alrighty, that should be cured. We can compare it. Definitely looks much better domed. I am sad it lifted a bit of the pigment up, but I think it's okay. I think I'm gonna put glitter on the back side when I dome it, because the front has so much detail, I don't want glitter to hide it up. And I don't remember what I used for this, but the surface is slightly shimmery. I can't remember if I used pastels or colored pencils. I'm gonna go ahead and dome the backside with glitter and we'll see how it looks. I thought about doing a white back so the color pops more, but I'm hoping glitter will be okay. What do we think? I can't believe I'm almost out of this glitter mix. It is my absolute favorite. I say almost out. It's probably gonna last me another year or so, but if you know of any glitter mixes like this, let me know. Okay, let's mix and spread this before it spills over the side. I think some of this glitter will show through to the other side. So let's pop some air bubbles. I'll probably give it another clear coat after because the glitter does tend to leave some texture on the surface. But let's go ahead and cure. Let's give it a thin layer of clear resin and then we'll dome the other side and see how it cleans up. Look at that sparkle. Let's flip it over. Oh yeah, the glitter really does come through. I don't know, do you guys think a white background would have been better? I kind of like it translucent. It definitely looks better than the unfinished piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other pieces and I will BRB. Ta-da! There is a dog fight, a play dog fight, just to clarify, going on in the background, so that is what you hear. But these turned out so good. I was unsure at first whether I should do glitter or a white background, but I am fully, well, I've already committed. I'm very content and satisfied with the end results. They turned out so good. I was a little heavy-handed with the glitter on the smaller ones. Oh my goodness. See, I've tried to film this 3 times already and they've interrupted every single time, so I give up. Is this what it's like to have children? Anyway, this is going to be the end of the video. If you do want to see Sam and Elle, I do have an Instagram page for them. I'll put it up here and down below. You can check it out. And I will see you all probably tomorrow. I have an idea of what I want to work on. So if you want to see what I make before I post a video, make sure to join my Discord because I post there first. And I will see you all next time. Bye!